Hey YouTube, Gunham here. Welcome back to part 6 of the base tour. First off, bridge, which I love, and then oil. Double train, because the desert one over there, which one is the east train, comes over and connects pretty good. I did yank off one train from the network as they started adding more cars and it started to choke the system. So, Sure. Final train, how's it going? Well, train station, obviously. There's no construction up here, just a lot of storage, some batteries. All the construction is down below. So, this is fun. There's a lot over here. There's part of the bridge. Oh, these conveyors. Is that diamond? That's slow. I need to increase that. So, yeah, it's a lot for the oil field. First off, over there, we have construction of copper stuff. It's literally just a warehouse item. I don't do anything with it. It's just warehouse. One mine and all that. So, yeah. Then we have this. A lot of coal generators to get some power. And fuel generators to burn off that waste from the byproducts of all of that. Yeah, that's all my construction. We'll go over that in a little bit. This is isolated just to get me some polymer resin and to burn off the fuel. Just comes from over there. And then there's the next level down, which this is just packaging fuel. Remember that to the turbo fuel. Here's the water running pretty much everything. And yeah, there's a particle accelerator here to get me my diamonds because I need oil for diamonds, turns out. Donk. I don't care if I'm empty on the oil. I want this. I need diamonds. Give diamonds. Sure. What's where? First off, fabric. That polymer resin is coming in here to burn fabric and to burn with just water. So, fabric is useful for a couple of things, but we have this smokeless powder and heavy oil residue, which is not running. That's not good. It's not getting any because of that. Alright then, I guess you could just go. I need smokeless powder for my nukes, and the fact I'm not getting any is bad. So, that will get that turned back on. See, again, double check your systems because of that. That's the wrong one. It's this one. You gotta double check your systems. Now this is starting to fill up. There we go. I haven't been getting smokeless powder apparently for a long time. Now I am. There goes the diamonds on that one. The smokeless powder should be on the other one. There they go. Nice and slow, but at least it's going up. So, this is my primary for dealing with that waste. Which obviously the fuel is not burning it fast enough. This'll help. I need, in order to guarantee my waste is eliminated, I need to make sure that I'm burning the fuel quickly. That will help. Because this is all full. Let's go ahead and flush this one and flush that one's not that full. Oh. Yeah, so that's good. That's full, see? But now that these are empty, see, they're nice and chunky full. Yeah, so it's going to be a while for it to bleed through the system, but now that I'm burning a lot more fuel, it'll help. These are turned off. This is just to do with more of that waste. But I've bypassed it and going into the primary node there just to help. So this is going to be full, right? Yep. This is why you put in buffers, so you can just eliminate the buffer and not the entire thing. And this one doesn't look full. That's good. Okay, good. These are not full. Just those that are full. I'm pretty sure that's for rubber. Some of them are rubber. Some of these are not. So, yeah, look at that. So, this down here is there just a bunch of stuff. I thought I killed you. You have to nuke him. Yeah, but I need rubber. I think I'm awesome sinking it, actually. But still, I need it for that residue. So, this is where my majority of the plastic's coming from. A lot of plastic from these machines. It's this entire side here and all 6 of those. These are only building rubber, and that's it. All my rubber basically is coming from here. So that's 18 refineries building plastic. So, yeah. Next. Oil generator, which is paused? No. Oil's coming from around. Over here we have an independent oil unit getting some fuel for that polymer resin, which I need, and burning the fuel off. Polymer resin is becoming that fabric. And another isolated fuel node is heading over. Give me that. Now, where is that oil going to for the particle accelerator? It's just a output. It's the output pipe right here. I'll make this different. There. It's just the outflow pipe. So, alternate recipes are fun. This is just pumping out a ton of diamonds. Sure, there's that. Yeah, that's it. Kind of wish they make a water extractor that puts out 600 instead of 300, but I understand why. Yeah, just... Right. How are you looking now? Yep, see, it's burning through more, which is actually good, because that means that these should hopefully stay empty. Well, it's going up in its efficiency now. It's burning through. So that's melting a lot faster now. These are not staying very full. Well, that one is, but that's expected. I forgot that fluid does care about turns. So these just make things run smoother, having those pumps. So let's help it out here. Just instead of choking the system out, we'll just do, there we go. It'll fill it up, but that will eliminate a little bit from the system, which still seems full. Again, these are my rubber, so I really don't care about these, but they're interconnected with these, which, why don't I have valves? That seems like a mistake. No? There we go. That one has downhill, but still, just in case. Yeah, it still matters. It's fine. Well, maybe it does. You never know. When you have an issue, you don't really want to guess. Sure. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So, this is now running smoother because of that. Good. This will increase my fuel production a little bit, but it'll also burn more residue. I'm clearly going through the fuel pretty good now that these have those power shards. So, What happened? Oh, whatever. Alright, so I can control the flow through that. So most of the fuel is just turning and going into these. Let's go ahead. Alright. That's good. I love how the animation even increases when you have the power shards versus not the power shards. I mean, look at that. Just look at the animation they got there. Sure. That's the oil. Now I got the North Nuclear, and then I got the last one. And I'm almost done. Sweet. Yeah. I do want to ride the train over the bridge. No. Ah. I put a lot of work on this bridge. I want to show. I want to see it. Get in. There. A lot of work went into this bridge. But, you know, I really ought to show the bridge. Why don't I? So, in here, we have way up on each, which is useful. It's just a long walk. Leads to here. So the inside is literally just this with some windows on one side. So you can look, but you know. So this will go up, but that you have to go around in order to get to there. That's fine. Giant waterfall. But it's giant. Yeah. I don't think the game devs really thought that through, but that's okay. So, got wings, which I was going to do something with, and I forget. This, which has a railing. Is the halfway mark is there. Then we got up. This is the observation level. You know, the interior observation level. There's no way to walk out. You can see inside of these, which are just hollow. Just a little for view. You do have to kind of jump and make it up, but that's okay. It's a video game. That'll go up there. I can put storage containers up there. Here, you have this nice little awning. This open so you can enjoy. Sneaking up on some friends, maybe. And this is just this beautiful view. We're on that lower point down there, obviously. And then you go the rest of the way up, which that's outside. Little zone here where there's no ladder, but you're not really supposed to get up there. You can turn this into a house. It's big enough. Same with the other side. And, yeah, then you're up here. At the top, there's one watchtower, 2 lights on this side, and then the radio tower over there. Same with the other one. So it really helps you understand the distance and size thanks to the radio tower. Bonk. And, yeah. I'm not sure I'm going to make that train, so I'm not even going to try. I'm just going to do this. I have the center marked on the top and the bottom. And you can see because of that there and these here. So, I do sometimes enjoy just coming over here and looking. That does go higher than where I am, so you can see all those trains around that thing. It's just incredible. Whew. Is there a train coming? Not yet. I mean, the warehouse looks enormous, and it is, and yet it's so small from up here. So the last stop will be over there. I'm going to take the teleporter, because it'll be my first time using it. And we'll see how much it takes for fuel. First, North Nuclear. because I don't want to burn through the fuel of the teleporter. That is up higher than I am. Caught it. The hover pack is awesome. You just stop yourself from imminent demise. Alright, I'll catch you later. I'll be at the North Nuclear next for part 6, 7? 7.